this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making salad, root vegetable salad, winter salad I would call. I grew up with this salad called Vinaigrette and the main ingredients beets. Let's go over our ingredients. The main ingredients, beets, of course. Russian loves beets. I grew up in Ukraine eating beets quite a bit often. Another key ingredient is pickles, but not any pickles, fermented pickles. And I hardly recommend to use fermented pickles. If you not do yourself, I don't do in winter, buy, and it's usually in the refrigerator section in supermarkets. This brand or Baba, it's another one, good one. It should be in the ingredients listed, nothing but salt, maybe garlic and spices, but no vinegar. So that's how you will know it's fermented and not pickled. Another ingredients, potatoes. I use yellow potato, carrots, everything already steamed and peeled. You can boil the way my mom did always, or you can roast them in an oven. Either way, bake it in the oven. And beans. The beans, I'm using white beans. I soak them and then boil. I always have ready some kind of beans ready to go in my freezer. It's require time to cook. So if you don't like to cook your beans, use just can any beans you like. Onion, red onion I prefer. And as always, we like to garnish just to make prettier food. But it's a winter salad, so normally my mom didn't decorate with fresh dill, but I like pretty salad. It's always more pleasure to eat. And to taste more real Ukraine, you have to use sunflower oil, extra virgin sunflower oil. It has so much aroma, specific aroma. And I would not recommend to substitute with olive oil. If you can find, go for and substitute, but sunflower oil, it's original and that's what is good. Salt, pepper, and sometimes if it's not vinegar enough, just for balanced taste and flavor, depends how you like. I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon, but it depends on your taste preference. We'll taste on the end and we'll see if we need lemon or not. Let's do it. This salad's so easy. It's rustic and you can do everything ahead of time, actually. That's what I did. I steam my vegetables. Can be even steamed night before, day before, and it's perfectly fine to keep in the refrigerator. This salad is healthy and it's vegan, so many of your friends who are vegan may appreciate to have this as a side dish, maybe for your next barbecue instead of potato salad. It's pretty pink salad. And I would like to mention, chop your vegetables the size of your beans. So if your beans small, chop your vegetable same size, small. You also can use peas and it's delicious as well. I like using peas sometimes. If you use larger beans like butter beans, they're huge, so chop your vegetable big chunks. And potato. In this salad, some people like to avoid potatoes, but this salad, it's so good for you. Potato, actually, when it's cooked with skin and consumed as a cold, like that's how we're going to eat cold potato, it has resistant starch. Resistant starch, it's wonderful probiotic, which is mean food for your good bacteria. And in this salad, it's complete meal, I think, has probiotic, fermented pickles, also beans, protein, and a little bit of fat, just to combine all together. It's delicious, good for you, and I think your gut will be thankful for feeding. Baby girl making some noises. Beans are in. And now pickles. I love pickles. My Johnny, my youngest son, he loves pickles. Oh my goodness, he can eat pickles with every meal. Our breakfast actually starts with pickles too. crying. And for the beets, you have to have gloves, some kind of gloves. Oh, look how beautiful this, oh my goodness, so colorful. In my town where I'm from, if you go to market, this beets they call from Vinaigrette, specific for this dish. Other beets, it's for borscht. And now look how pretty, beautiful. And all we need to do, just rest with sunflower oil, and I start with beets. Not too much, about 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons. Little bit of pepper and salt. The pickles are already salty, so not too heavy on salt. I'm using Celtic salt, my favorite. And now let's mix all together. Let's squeeze a little bit of lemon. But before that, let me taste. We may not need it. A little bit need salt. And yes, we do need a little lemon. Tastes much better, and tomorrow the salad even will be better. So what I like about it, you can make ahead of time, and it's good for up to 5 days in your refrigerator. On third day or second day, I think it's the best taste, the best flavor when all married and comes together. And all vegetables great. Onions, oil, salt, a little bit of lemon. It's all becomes nice one salad dressing. Let me taste. Much better. Perfect. Little bit more with sunflower oil. And some dill. And here you go, classic Ukrainian beet salad, vinaigrette. It's delicious, healthy, good for you. I hope you give it a try soon, and give me like and subscribe if you haven't. Bye, see you next time.